Many people know that technology jobs pays well compared to majority of other jobs, but they don't want to do it because their main excuse is, "Hey, I don't know how to code. I don't want to code, or it's very difficult." Right? Um, there are so many IT jobs where you don't have to code. I was helping one of my client, and we were making list of things which you can do without coding, which are in IT departments and which pays well as well. um, One of let me go through a couple of positions and see any of those you might like, and if you have more questions we can go a little bit deeper. The first position we found out is IT project manager. If you are good with working with people, talking to people, making sure they are delivering their work on time, and also you like to visualize data as well, like, hey, how much work we have to do in 3 months, how much has been done in last month, and we'll be able to finish the project on time. If we need more resources, if we need more technology, or if we need but basically by talking with people, asking right questions, you would know what a project timeline is and how the project is moving forward, right? So that doesn't require coding at all, and it pays well as well, right? Then the other one is system administrator. That doesn't require coding as well. There will be some learning curve, some tools and technology you need to learn, but those doesn't require coding, right? Same with a network architect. You can be network architect by taking certain courses about LAN, local area network, or certain other tools which people are using, and you can do the job without coding. Then cyber security analyst. I think cyber security is growing much faster last couple of years, especially when everything is digital and remote. A lot of cyber attacks, and people are taking a lot of certifications which doesn't require coding, and there are jobs which doesn't require coding, which is called cyber security analyst. UX UI designer, that I would suggest you if you have a knack for designing, and if you are willing to learn tools like Figma, or Photoshop, or any Adobe tools which people use for different kind of design. But I think the mobile and website design is a pretty good field. There will be some learning curve and some competition, but I think that's another good option. Then technical support specialist, which provides if people are facing issue. These are not the tech support in the sense where they're just talking. They are actually helping you troubleshoot the issue, and it's not as complicated as some of the other jobs. So that's one of the good position you could apply for. And IT business analyst, or product manager. I think now it's getting mixed up, especially in the smaller companies. There are no two positions of BA and product manager. There are mixed responsibility now people are facing, but it's also one of the good position. There is a lot of competition in that because everybody thinks they can be a product manager or a business analyst, but you have to learn a lot. You have to be patient. You have to prepare yourself. There is no technical thing you need to learn per se, but you need to understand how technology works. And there is one cloud solution architect. It goes a little bit more technical than most of the other jobs which I mentioned, but again, no coding. And if you want to go even simpler, where you don't have to, let me make another video where these are in that video there will be technology jobs, but they won't require too much technical learning curve either, or it would require even less learning curve than what I just mentioned. Good luck. Please follow for more.